Redis page and object catch plugin quick review. Top admin bar options. Here you can purge Redis total catch, which purges all databases, Zen catch, and any extras. You can purge both catches for page catch and object catch, purge page catch alone or object catch alone. Redis site check for quick site checking. The developer site to go and get extra information, updates and so forth, and our PayPal. Here you get direct connection information if a connection was made, online, offline. Here you can get lots of information for Redis server, Redis key scan, Redis page get CL terminal, Redis object get CL terminal, and Redis CL interactive terminal. WordPress allow replay of the database, cron stats, cron event runtimes, WordPress debug log. You can download the debug log. You can delete the debug log. You can run Google's page speed test directly, get PHP info, and get our help info. General options, Redis page catch. Redis object catch. Redis CD-ROM catch, which is the security module. Disable settings, and here you can basically reset your page catch and object catch connections, save sessions, and purge page catch and object catch. Here you get a quick view of local server information to see which features are enabled. Get your standard address, software, etc. Quick overview of Redis server settings. The settings here are actually doubled. So in other words, the catch size would be the catch size for page catch and object catch if both are enabled. WordPress default features: WP cron, WP catch, WP debug, etc. Debug log will tell you basically what's enabled from disabled. You also have control over these inside custom options. Redis features which are disabled or enabled, you also have control over these. And catch options. WP hidden settings, basically direct links to your database, information stored. You can clear those options from anything in there, so be very careful. Use memory for page or object catch. Simply refreshing the page clears it out. Copying for developers. Warnings like basic passwords, wrong information, etc. Actions, purging, basic purge log of all purge events, compression and use, sterilizers in use, runtime from cron, settings option. Here you configure page cache, object cache, and CD-ROM cache security module. Standalone cache and advanced cache are both for page caching. Only choose one. Choosing standalone cache will allow for better compatibility with other caching plugins in WordPress. Login protection asks for greater security with CD-ROM. Cache options. Here you can configure URLs and pages never to be caught. Add custom headers. Query strings to ignore. Whitelist cookies. Ignore cookies. Set cron jobs via server if your site supports it. Custom settings. Here you can configure debugging and diagnostics along with compression, sterilization. You also can configure alternate cron, disable cron jobs, run server cron, enable persistent page caching, with help with all settings of the plugin. Use the help info button at the top.